Royal Caribbean cancels Vision of the Seas cruises from Bermuda. Let's talk about it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Just in case you don't know, I am here in Texas, and yesterday our Texas pride was challenged. The gauntlet was thrown down, and a response is required. A fellow cruise content creator made a statement yesterday, and he said that Florida Buc-ee's are better than Texas Buc-ee's. For shame, sir. For shame. We all know that Texas Buc-ee's are the best. They're the largest, and there's no way that Florida's could possibly be better. So I just want to be clear, this is purely a joke. There is another commentator out there that if you watch the cruising community and you watch cruising videos from multiple channels, you are probably familiar with Tony from La Lita Loca. He made that comment yesterday in fun. I simply wanted to return a fun response. So please, nobody get your britches in a bunch. I just thought I would have a little fun today. Now, before I do get to the cruising news though, I do have one little housekeeping thing I need to go over really quickly. And it is something that is kind of a pet peeve and really kind of pissed me off. I am happy for everybody that watches my videos. I enjoy the comments. I like responding back. However, if you leave a racist comment in one of my videos, I will block you. You are done. You are gone. No exception. I found one in there this morning, immediately blocked it. Hopefully nobody saw that nastiness before I was able to get rid of it. I will not tolerate any type of racist remarks. Look, this is a cruising channel. And whether you're an experienced cruiser or you're a new cruiser getting ready to go on your first cruise, this channel is for everybody. We may not agree on several different topics. I know we don't agree on vaccinated versus non-vaccinated. We'll never agree on which is the best cruise line out there. But the one thing that we can all agree on is we love cruising. We want to go back to cruising. And we're not going to have that kind of negative attitude. Now, I apologize for that quick little rant, but I want to make it clear it's not accepted here. This channel is for everybody. Now, on to the actual cruising news, and that is that Royal Caribbean has canceled all sailings on the Vision of the Seas that was scheduled to sail from Bermuda this summer. And basically what it's coming down to is it's looking more and more every day like cruises are going to go ahead and restart here in the United States. And the United States is a huge cruising market, very profitable, and can generate a lot of revenue for the cruise industries once it restarts. And the cruisers here in the US would of course prefer to sail from ports in the United States. They're much easier to get to here than it is to fly to Bermuda, get on the cruise, and then fly back if you could simply go to Florida or Texas or California and get on a cruise ship there. So they're going to end up moving that ship back to the United States and prepare it to sail here. So if you did watch my video yesterday, and I'll put a link up to it up here, Royal Caribbean has finalized their port agreement with Port Canaveral. They're going to go ahead and submit that to the CDC and should be able to begin test sailings shortly after that. And July cruises from the United States aboard Royal Caribbean are definitely looking possible at this point. So it makes sense that they're going to try to reposition their ships to take advantage of that, get cruising going here in the United States, since it is one of the highest revenue generating locations. As I'm sure a lot of you probably already know, the cruising has resumed in the UK. And honestly, I'm a little bit jealous. I wish it was us, but I wish them well. I wish them the best. I wish them successful cruises. I said, I'm just a little bit jealous it isn't us, because boy, I would love to be out there on a cruise ship right now myself. And one last cruise story that has come across here in the last couple days is that Disney Cruise Lines is in negotiations with Port Everglades, which is up there in Fort Lauderdale in Florida, for a permanent cruise ship berthing. With the new Disney Wish coming online, and they already have the Disney Dream and the Disney Fantasy at Port Canaveral, Looks like they just are going to need a little bit more room, and I believe they also have 2 additional ships are going to come out after the Wish that are going to need homes as well. Now, Disney, if you're listening, feel free to send one over to Galveston. I know we get the Disney Wonder for a couple of months every year, but if you want to put one down here permanently, I'm sure we can go ahead and fill that up for you as well. I'd like to see one down here full time. You know, for those that like to sail out of the Port of Galveston, our options down there are getting better and better every year. Next November timeframe, we should be getting the Allure of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. It'll be our first mega ship down here once they complete the new terminal construction. It looks like we are going to get 1 Norwegian cruise about October of 2022. And there is a rumor, and it is purely a rumor at this time, but with the construction of the new Royal Caribbean terminal down in Galveston, said it's a rumor that we might actually get a celebrity ship in every once in a while to sail out of Galveston as well. So the future is looking bright for the Port of Galveston if all of this comes true, and we're going to have even more options. All right, well, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.